we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Music distributor United Masters partnering with Coinbase. The company will enable its artists to get paid with crypto through Coinbase's new payroll products. Joining us right now, first on CNBC this morning, is United Masters and Translation CEO Steve Stout. Good morning to you.
Man.
I haven't seen you. I was saying we have not seen each other in person in a very, very long time.
About a year and a half, 2 years.
About a year and a half, 2 years.
Yeah.
So let's talk about this big announcement this morning.
I'm super excited what we're going to do. I mean, just, the evolution of what we've done, what we've built for artists, disrupting the legacy labels who've always had their fair share of success and not making sure the artists got paid. And now the artists with this new partnership with Coinbase are going to be paid in crypto. They have that option.
Let's explain this to everybody. And we've had you on the broadcast a bunch over the years.
Yeah.
You effectively created a platform that bypasses the traditional labels. Mm-hmm. The artist gets paid directly right on the platform. You now have a partnership with TikTok and others.
Yeah.
But now, for the first time, instead of just accepting cash, you're accepting crypto.
Yeah. Well, we're paying out in crypto. So what we've seen, Andrew, is that these artists, we have 1.4 million artists on the platform that we distribute around the world. And we've watched the rise of them asking to get paid. Payment optionality has been a big thing in this creator economy, right? And now they're asking to get paid in crypto. So partnering with the best in class, which is Coinbase, in order to offer this product, allows artists to get paid either in fiat government currency or cryptocurrency.
How much of this, though, is about the artist wanting to get paid in crypto versus the customer wanting to pay in crypto?
No. Well, we're paying the artist, right? So we actually are taking money that comes in through Apple Music and Spotify and converting it in the Coinbase
so you're going to convert it
crypto.
Into crypto?
Yes, and convert it into crypto and pay out the
So
artist.
this is less about the sort of customer demand for wanting to pay. Are there people who want to pay in crypto at the moment?
Well, I'm not sure about that. I know that my job, our job at United Masters is to create frictionless environments for our customers, the artists, to get whatever they need. What are the things that make them happy? And what we kept on saying overwhelmingly was that they wanted the option to get paid in crypto. So we decided we had to find the best partner to do it, and the team at Coinbase.
And is the plan to pay people in Bitcoin, in Ethereum, in something else?
They have that option. They have 1,000 products they can choose from.
And how much of this, does this relate to any degree to the world of NFTs and how people are thinking about music as NFTs?
Well, when you start thinking
that's a separate issue.
Well, it's a separate opportunity. Okay? That, what's taking place in crypto and blockchain and NFTs are just unlocking value for artists. So typically, artists, they had to always, when we grew up listening to music, they had to find a record company in order to find an audience. Now they find an audience before they find a record company. So they can retain their rights, get paid in different, choose how they want to get paid, and always maintain control, own their future, which is something that had never taken place historically in the music business.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, I come back with that video just to make you think. And we have Coinbase as partner with United Masters. And we have Steve Stout. Anybody knows about Steve Stout knows how big he was in hip hop. But we know who controls our music. If you have my book, you know. We know the New World Order controls music. Music is very powerful. It controls your emotions. It'll make you love somebody, but it'll also make you kill somebody. But I'm not even going to get into that subject. But what I am going to talk about is Coinbase moving through the economy. And of course, if you're a musician, you know no better. We know crypto is to track everything. We know that's exactly what the New World Order wants, because they're going to be able to tax everything. Yes, crypto sounds great, but remember, crypto means hidden message. And we know what the hidden message is for cryptos, for the robots, algorithms, and drones. We know when it comes to these algorithms actually can make better music than what the artists are doing right now. But how do you get someone that's not educated about finances and just want to get into music? How do you get them? That's right. Acting like you're giving them a better option. You're in control. But we know who's in control of cryptos. That's right, the New World Order. And then lastly, guys, we have, yes, teamwork makes the dream work. We have drones putting out the fires. That's right. Guys, when I tell you, the robots, algorithms, and drones are going to move through the economy, just like Andrew Yang stated, because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. Y'all have a wonderful day.
UAV for high-risk firefighting in 2012. In 2013, we started to implement it in the practice. Mainly it aimed at the high-risk fire can't approach, can't rely on, and can't extinguish the world's three biggest problem. And it takes more than 7 years that we develop this high.
The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids' books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.